Hi, Shanru. In this video, I will answer the question you posted earlier today. So first, we need to find out what is our marginal revenue curve. Now, in most questions, the marginal revenue curve will be given to you, but since you're going to look for it for yourself, keep in mind that your marginal revenue curve for a monopoly company is always below your demand curve. So if you draw it on the graph, it will be somewhere, looks like this. So just below your demand curve, this would be the marginal revenue curve. Now, if you need to be more precise to see where exactly the marginal revenue curve is, I'm going to show you a little black magic. I'm going to use calculus to find out the marginal revenue curve. So if you're going to, first let's write down the demand function. Now the demand will be started, here, let me put it this way. So demand, the numerical function for this demand curve, you can put down P equals to 50 minus Q. So that'd be your demand curve or demand line. And then next, your total revenue. So total revenue is your price times quantity. Now we already know what the price is. It's 50 minus Q. And then times quantity. So your total revenue is going to be 50Q minus Q squared. Now, your marginal revenue curve is your change in total revenue over change in quantity. So this in calculus is just the first derivative. So if we do dTR over dQ, this will be just equal to 50 minus 2Q. So if you want to graph your marginal revenue function precisely, it's just going to be the function of price equals to 50 minus 2Q. This line will give you your marginal revenue function. And then on the line, on the graph over here, the intersection for it will be at 25. Now, next, we're looking for the profit or loss for the company. You need to follow first couple steps. So the first step is to look for where the marginal cost equal to marginal revenue. So on this graph over here, this marginal cost curve right here, and then marginal revenue curve we just draw. So this intersection is the first point we're looking for. Now, second point, we're going to look for our price. Now, price is from demand curve. So from this point down, go up to our demand curve. Here, this is where the price is. Price. And then go down to your horizontal axis. This will be the quantity. And then next, the third thing to do is to look for your ATC, or the average total cost. So for ATC, again from this point over here, go up. So at this point over here, it's going to be our ATC. So average total cost. Now, to look for profit or loss, now remember your profit. Profit equals to your revenue or total revenue minus total cost. Now another way to write it, your total revenue is your price times quantity, and then total cost is your average total cost times quantity. So you have common factor, then take the Q out, so just Q times P minus ATC. So this is your profit. Now go back here, this is the price over here, ATC is right below it, and times Q, so your profit will be this region right here. That will be the profit for the company. Okay, all right, so this is how I answer this question. If you have any additional questions or have any question over this problem over here, let us know, and then we're more than happy to help answer a question. All right, good luck.